Hello friends, in today's video, we'll see how to fill forms. Okay, so this is today's video's agenda. So I'll share a screen with you. You'll be able to understand. Yeah, now this is Goethe A1 Writing Part 1. Okay, as all of you know, we have a full A1 writing course on this channel, and I have divided this full course into 8 parts. Okay, so we'll see. This is actually video number 2, but part 1 of the series. Video 1 was just a intro, so now the actual part will start here. Okay. Now, in this case, for filling form, you must know some common words. Name, Purnama is first name, Lakhnama is last name, addressa, your address, telephone number, your telephone number, and Geburtsdatum, your birth date. Geburtstag is birthday, and Geburtsdatum, that datum is particular date. So Geburtsdatum is that date, your birthday date. So if you want to write it down, you will have to know correct spellings, okay, of dates. Then numbers, you should know them. So here we'll see, for example, Purnama. Your first name, suppose, is Anna. So here I have written Anna. So whatever your name, you can put it there. Nakhnama, Mueller, that is, you can say surname or the last name. Wohnort is Hamburg. Now numbers and dates. Now suppose you want to write your age. Okay, what your age is. You should know number. Obviously you will know, but its spelling you should know. Now 21 is 21. Okay, so there is a video on my channel on alphabets numbers. You can go through it and you can just brush up your knowledge, numbers and alphabets. Now, 15 is Funset word. Okay. Now, coming to Geburtsdatum. Geburtsdatum is your birth date, as earlier discussed. Now, suppose, for example, here I have written some sample birth date, 12th March 2000. Okay, is 12. You can write 12 März. Okay, that is March, and 2000. 2000. Right? So suppose this is your birth date. This is sample one. You can practice yourself because there will be form filling. Definitely that task will be there, and you should know what to write it there. Okay. So that's all for today, friends. Till new video, you can practice these things, form filling. So I'll see you in next video. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye-bye.